So I'm a little frustrated today. My Nexus 6 completely is bricked. The first time I've ever bricked a device in my life. And the funny thing is I wasn't even really doing anything with it. So I was charging it last night, which I may add was a Samsung fast charger. So I don't know if that had anything to do with it or not. But anyway, I was charging the device and I noticed that AT&T finally released the 6.0.1 update. So I was getting that installed and I was in the middle of some other things. All I remember, the last thing I saw was the little Android guy, installing the update. And I don't know if it ended up booting to the OS or not, but the next thing I knew, it was basically like this, bricked, won't turn on. Every combination under the sun I've tried with the power and volume buttons. I've gone on XDA, I've plugged the device into my computer, and it basically comes up as a QHUSB ARM PRG in Device Manager. So I tried installing the drivers for that. I tried running basically a DOS-based program that tries to unbrick your phone, and that didn't work. So I'm at a loss. I don't know what to do, because also if you go to Motorola's website and do a repair, they want to charge me $175. So I imagine that's because I've had this device for more than a year, so it's not under warranty anymore. There's not really any point in fixing it, just because you can buy a new Nexus 6 for like $250 if you get a good deal. So I'm just basically out of luck. I have this nice, good quality device and it's just a brick. So the only thing I can really do at this point is do a drop test, and I don't see the point, but I may just have to do that so I can just get rid of it, But anyway, I thought I would just make this video to say just watch out doing over-the-air updates, because I was, to get 6.0, what I did was basically just install it on the computer because AT&T takes forever. So I don't know if it's because I had to do all that stuff and then the bootloader was unlocked, and then once I did the over-the-air update it didn't like that. I don't know if that was it. I don't know if using the fast charger killed it, which I don't think that should just kill a device, because Motorola, the Nexus 6 did come with a turbocharger, so it should be be able to handle that. I just don't know. I guess it's the update, but anywhere I've looked, I'm kind of just out of luck at this point, because a lot of people, if they had this issue, they just sent it into Motorola, they got the motherboard replaced and it fixed it. And I'm just kind of blabbering at this point. But I think what I'm going to do is just in the description below let you know every single thing I tried, just in case you come across this video and you have trouble turning your phone on. Maybe some of those things will help. My loss is your gain type of thing. But I just wanted to vent. Also just wanted to say watch out using different brand chargers with your phone. Maybe that's what killed it. Or watch out, doing over-the-air updates if you have tinkered with it, on the computer using fast boot and ADB and stuff like that. That's all I want to say here. This is a basically no edited type of video, just kind of getting my thoughts out of my head. Let me know in the comments below, if you've ever had this issue. Is there anything you can think of that you can help me do to maybe get this thing fixed? I don't know. Other than that, let me know what you want me to see Let me know what you want to see done to this device. Do you just want me to do a drop test? Because, the screen is good condition. I don't know if that's just, overdone at this point. I don't know if this device has already had its, limelight, so no one's really going to care about that. Anyways, see you next time.